YouTube, what it do? Man, it's the next day. Good morning. The storm had moved in super fast, so I only did one of the things that I said I wanted to do, which was swap out all of the tail lenses. It's super bright. Hopefully it's y'all can see it. Let me zoom out some. Swap out all the lenses in the cap. So we did that. And today what I want to do is I want to put my dash screws in. So I'm gonna find a way to mount y'all up somehow. And I need to put these screws in here. It's like 2 up there. So some screws just to set my dash up. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that today. And let me grab the screws. I'm gonna grab a towel and maybe something to get up there, because they got a lot of overspray or some rubbing compounds all on my dash, and I don't like that. So grab a few items. I'm gonna come back. We're gonna be in the car. Yeah. All right, tube. I was trying to figure out the best way to mount y'all up. I think this will be it. So first thing I want to do, I have some stuff. Spray on car wash. I want to clean up my dash. Give me a second. Y'all, so first thing I want to do, you know, got some interior cleaner, and I'm gonna clean the dash. Really. I'm gonna spray it directly on there. Most times you probably want to spray your rag, but my junk all metal. I don't think it'll hurt nothing. Just clean on up. It's hella dusty. Ooh-wee. Bring y'all in here after this. One more time. Okay. Oh yeah, it's dirty. Well, be sure y'all, man, hit that like, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate it. A lot of what you see in here now, me taking matters into my own hands, man, because so many people just don't do right, you know. And I'm like, I got the skill set and follow instructions, so why not do it myself? Save a lot of money and headaches. Okay, now that that's shined up, let me show y'all. So I shined them up. Let me zoom out. Shined them up pretty good. I don't know if y'all can see the flakes. Well, it's pretty clean. So the game plan is I need to get up in there and I can see the compound all up in here. It's so bright I can't really see, but hopefully y'all can see like the overspray compound. Oh, is it clips that go in there? I hope it's not clips, because I see a clip right there to lock this dash in. All right, let me mount y'all back up. Let's get to it. I got several different type of screwdrivers. Let me zoom in. Oh, is that good? Well, y'all might be able to see it better that way. Several different screwdrivers. I bought the interior kit. And it came with all type of screws and bolts, and these is for the dash. So I'm about to she on something. She seen something. Let's get started. Oh, route 1, but I got it. So man, if y'all haven't seen the recent video that I did yesterday, I changed out my old tail lights gaskets. They were so old and brittle. Oh wow. So screw this one in place. Oh, that's crazy. There's so much overspray. Or did they not paint that? Let's see what that is. We'll get y'all in there. So they took my dash out, and when they put it back in, they did not put screws in it. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. Actually, yeah, even though they're close, y'all can see what I just did right there. I didn't know how that was gonna work, but it worked. Oh well, no, y'all can see me. So I can't see myself because I'm using my phone. So what I did, I got this plastic, the black brush, you know, that comes stainless steel and all that, just like the plastic kind. So wrap that around a microfiber cloth, and I get up in there with that in the brush. So let me see, show y'all. Damn, let's break that. Okay, let me zoom out. So what I did was, push my dash up where the screws line up, and you can still kind of see this powdery substance. It was all the way out here, so I just stick the brush in there. Just got it up the best I can. So it's all along the dash up here. So I'm pretty much about to just do that. I want to give y'all a closer look at what I just did. Hopefully by me tighten this up, it pull everything tighter. You won't be able to see that. So let me mount y'all back up. Oh, that's what happened. The height went down. Actually, that's cool. Go 3. So I'm about to do those, and I'm gonna put y'all on hyperlapse so I don't have to sit here and watch you do all that. So I'll be right back. Alright, too. That's a wrap. That was something quick and simple. Let me see. Let me get y'all in here. So what y'all saw me do on the hyperlapse. Let me zoom out. So y'all saw me put the screws in. I am missing. I didn't see that. It was a clip that goes in there, just like the clip that was here. I don't think it's there because the screw wasn't catching nothing, but you can't really tell. And it's still closed up real tight. So the dash closed up tight up in there. All that overspray and compound stuff is gone. There was a couple screws underneath the dash I hit. So with that being said, man, I hope y'all can see the flakes and stuff. But it's a simple, quick video. See, look, I gotta get a new screen protector. Mine's all scratched up right there, so it make it look blurry. But that's it, man. Quick video. Continue to do that. Hit that like, comment, subscribe. Oh, so I do gotta tighten that up. Okay. Headliner keep falling down. Let me see. Is it loose? So there we go. I have it loose. Forgot to tighten it. There we go. Now that would hold up there. I was wondering why it kept falling down. It wasn't tight. What about this one? Nope. I see a screw loose here. Alright, that's tight. I had to fix some other stuff. My headliner kept flopping down, and I was wondering why. But okay, that's it. Man, give me a like, comment, subscribe. I clean this up. Oh, let me show y'all what I did yesterday. So I think I'm done with the trunk. Let me close it. What I need in here, I'll keep all in here for now. Trunk good. Tap and die set. That's good. We can throw that in there. Throw that in there. Close the trunk. I got my lock set. I might install that probably in the next video. But I changed those out. Cap and lens. Then I just, you know, screw the dash screws. I gotta sneeze. Woo. Allergies going crazy. But that glare right there, hopefully y'all can see that Impala logo. But that's how it would look if somebody was to stand, you know, like that and take a picture of it. So the dash screws are in. If I had this boy clean, it'd be shining right now. Fortunately, it's not, but you can see the color though. Ooh, that looks nice right there. Man, she's sitting pretty. Well, alright, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all go. I'm finna edit this video up like right now and send it to y'all. Like I said, it's your boy. Like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.